Hello and welcome to another video on navigating Microsoft Word with NVDA. Let's start with switching between spell check and the document. When you're using spell check in Word, it can be helpful to jump back to the document to see the error in context before deciding what to do. In Word 2013 and later, you can press Shift plus F6 or Escape to return to the document at the point of the current spelling error. Once you're ready to go back to spell check, press F6 or F7. Spell check will continue from where you left off, even if you move to a different part of the document. If you're using Word 2010, spell check appears in a dialog box instead of a pane. So F6 and Shift plus F6 won't work for moving between the document and spell check. In this version, the Not in Dictionary Edit box gives you some context for each error. To jump directly to this box, press Alt plus Shift plus colon. Press Escape to close spell check and F7 to restart it from where you left off. Sometimes spell check might highlight names, uncommon words, or technical terms as errors when they're actually correct. If you use these words often, you can add them to the dictionary by pressing the Add button. If you don't want to add them to the dictionary but want to leave them in the document, you can use the Ignore or Ignore All buttons. There are also times when spell check might miss an error, like if it doesn't catch a word that's spelled correctly but used incorrectly in context. For example, I am dad today won't be flagged as an error even if you meant to say I am sad today. In addition to checking spelling, Word also offers a thesaurus. When your cursor is on a correctly spelled word, you can press the Applications key to open the context menu. Inside, you'll find a Synonyms option, which opens a list of alternative words. For example, if you have the word cat selected, you might see synonyms like feline, kitten, and tabby. Choosing one of these will replace the word cat in your document. If you notice a word is used frequently throughout your document, you might want to replace some instances with synonyms to avoid repetition. This can make your writing easier to read and more polished. Sometimes Word might not suggest any synonyms for a word, or it might not list all possible synonyms. Also, some synonyms might be for a different meaning of the word, so be sure to choose the right one. In Word 2013 and later, you'll see a thesaurus option at the bottom of the synonyms list. Pressing Enter on this will open the thesaurus pane, which works similarly to the spell check dialog, but instead of spelling suggestions, it offers a list of synonyms. This pane might show more options than the context menu, and the synonyms are organized in a tree view by definition, which is helpful when a word has multiple meanings. That's all for today. Thanks for being with me in this tutorial on navigating Microsoft Word with NVDA. Until next time.